Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a wheel swap. Of course everybody does them different. This is my method of doing them, and this is the car that I'm working on right here. The only thing that's different about this one is that I ordered some wheels from Monoblock. You guys may have heard of them, may not have, but they make some really nice wheels. I highly suggest them. They have a wide selection, variations of wheels that are really nice. On mine, I got free shipping, so whatever the cost of the wheels are, these were 5 for I believe $17.95, something like that, and the shipping was free. But when I got them, this is what I noticed is that they send you a wire to install them, which isn't bad, but the only deal is when you put them in here, this is what it's going to look like when you get them in there. So you're either going to have to crimp the ends or super glue the wheel onto that metal piece or something. I prefer not to do it. So what I did come up with, and this is the way I do it, and I've already done one, but I'm going to show you how to do it, is that right there. It's got a clean, in my opinion, a cleaner look. Looks like an original Hot Wheel rim, wheel, whatever you want to call them. And this is what I did. This is a wheel. I just cut these. These are, of course, original Hot Wheel wheels. And the only thing I did was got a pair of side cutters, and I clipped them in between. Of course, I'm sure y'all can figure that out. That's pretty much self-explanatory. And then I removed the wires, the holds the wheels on. So now you have these two pieces. Then I got some K&S metals, which is this right here. It's 1/16 by 0.014. It's round aluminum tube that you can buy almost anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Town, wherever. Well, I get it. Of course, like I said, that one's already done. I get it. Now put it right there. Let me show you how I did this one. Pretty much get it right there. Line it up. Mark a line right there. Cut it right there. And a bunch of this has already been pre-done. That way I could save some time on this video. Then you just go put it in there like that. What I will say is that you have to get you a file or a Dremel, either or, whichever, and you will have to file something like this or right there, both sides, because of the tubing. Pretty simple. Same thing if you have a Dremel. You can use your Dremel power tool. Same thing right there. Run it in there. Take care of that, and it'll fit nicely in there, as you see right there. Okay, so, and you'll have to buy you some glass beads. You don't have to, but I do. And the reason is whenever you go to put that tubing in there, you go like that, put it in there like that, the wheel will sit there. Let me actually put it together right here. Right there. There you go. And then right there. And the reason I do it that way is because if you get super glue, which is what I'm going to use to attach everything, and you get it on that wheel and on this piece right here, that wheel is not going to spin. It will spin, but I just prefer for it not to be glued onto this piece right here. I'd rather it spin on its own instead of both tires spinning, if you know what I mean. And let me go ahead and show you how I did it. Crazy glue. I don't know if y'all use crazy glue, but this stuff really works. So I'll get my tire, set it in there like that. Then I'll go ahead and put my glass bead. These are glass beads. I don't know if I told y'all that, but that's what these are. You'll get your glass bead, put in there just like that, just like I showed you a while ago. Put in there like that. Then I'll get a small dab of glue. See if I can get it. There it comes. Gotta be careful with this stuff, because if not, this stuff will come out fast. Okay, put it on there. Then I'll put some on the end of this. Just a small dab. Like I said, this stuff works really well, so you really don't have to put a whole lot. And then you just slide it in there like that. Try and make sure the axle stays free, the wheel stays free. Then I just get the rod that they supplied me with, just put it in there. There you go. Just like that. And like I said, these are some really nice wheels. I probably will order some more. Well, I know I'll order some more. I really like these wheels. Quick, fast, easy shopping. They send you a confirmation email with your order. Then they also send a confirmation when they ship, and then also another email whenever when they've been delivered and they have arrived. So put a little bit more glue on here, just like I did the other. Same thing on this one. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, here we go. There you go. They also make different, I believe, Yokohama, Nitto on the sides of the tires. There you go. Got both of them done. Oh, before this was the Steelies that I had on there. Of course, they're original Hot Wheels. They come on variations of cars. And that's pretty much it. We'll close this up. Then you just like the other cars, put all the wheels. I'll go ahead and go back and glue these later. I'm not going to glue them right now, just so to shorten this video. They will be a little bit wider, as you can see, but it's all in preference. I could have made it, you can grind the sides a little bit if you'd like to, right there on the sides where they'll fit closer. But everything was test fitted prior to me doing this. And I kind of actually like that look right there, where the wheels actually stick out just a little bit more than what they should. In my opinion, I like that. Oh, let me put the window back in. I forgot to put the window. And this is a, I believe, Datsun 240Z. Yes, a Datsun 240Z. And this is a little car that I painted up. Did the cherry blossoms on top, Japan flag on top, some Japanese writing. If you can see the wheels right there, how they stick out. Button head screws. Now I check everything out, make sure everything's good on it. And like I said, and the good thing about it is that if you do mess up, the wheels are not glued to the to that wire. Then you can always just cut it off, and start all over, and you saved your wheels. And there she sits on some of those monoblocks. But like I said, I hope you find this video informative. And when you look at it, unless you know what you're looking at, you can't even tell the difference. But hope y'all found this helpful. And like I said, this just me, it looks a lot cleaner instead of just that wire. And like I said, monoblock tires, I highly suggest them. So if you ever get a chance, order you some. They also make, I believe, gold, yellow, red, green, various colors. There you go. Thanks for watching.